How to fix Facebook Marketplace messages not showing. So go to your marketplace where you can see there are different of the items listed. So if you want to find out who have texted you, simply go to this profile icon, and then here at your inbox section you will be able to check whether you have received messages or not. So currently I haven't reset because I haven't set my listings. But if you have set but still you're not getting them, then make sure you go to the settings from your messenger. So go to messenger and then go to the settings. Once you're in settings, you can see a help section right here. Go to the help. They will direct you towards the Facebook help center about the messages. So here you can see unable to send or see messages on messenger. Now press there. Here you can see you can simply go ahead and follow this articles, and then make sure you can be able to do all this, and then you are following the community standards as well. So update your messenger app, also make sure you update your Facebook as well. So another or last method what you can do is simply go to the settings and then go to the iPhone storage from general. So once you're in the iPhone storage, you can simply scroll down to find Facebook. You can once try uploading the app, and if that doesn't work, you can simply go ahead and uninstall the app and reinstall it again. And if it's not in the current version, update the app as well. So that might fix your problem. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.